Pat, well done, Pat. We reset the system. Are you okay, Drew? Yep. Okay, the final qualifying is driving the engine up. Engage gears, please. Count me down, each and every one of you. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, swapping up! Let me tell you, we'll just turn the music down a second because I have some news. Swamp Thing was in the lead with his first run with 25.8 seconds. His second run was even quicker, 21.4, the number one qualifier! Swamp Thing goes into the number one spot, but who will he be racing against? Our judges are going to give me the list in a moment. And very soon, we're going to be racing head to head.
Or Spitfires.
The two fastest will race against each other to find out who is the European Monster Truck National Champion, and hopefully we've still got a few running. And I have some more news for you. Though, I'll tell you what, this is going to get a massive cheer. Guarantee this is going to get a big cheer. Everybody around this arena, get ready for some big news. You saw Game Over smash his steering pump and couldn't do the qualifying. He's missed the qualifying. However, he's got it mended and he's going to be doing freestyle! Ken Talbot is back in part 2. You can't keep a good man down. I'm so chuffed, I really am. So Ken Talbot will be back in freestyle with Game Over. I think we're all happy about that. What about that, Simon? Good news, isn't it? So the two slowest will run against each other, then the two next ones, and then how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So we're going to have 3 head-to-head races. Anything can happen today, really could. Whoever's the quickest time gets to choose the lane.